Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the video where we talked about the history of apple pie. Now, let's test what you've learned. Was apple pie originally invented in America? No, it originally came from Europe, especially England. Did American colonists bring the tradition of apple pie with them? Yes, they brought the tradition when they settled in America. Is apple pie made only with bananas and cream? No, it's made with apples, sugar, cinnamon, and pie crust. Did apple pie become a national symbol during World War II? Yes, it became symbolic when soldiers said they were fighting for mom and apple pie. Is apple pie a la mode served with chocolate sauce? No, it's served with vanilla ice cream. Is apple pie only eaten during Halloween? No, it's eaten on many occasions like Thanksgiving and the 4th of July. Are apples not commonly grown in the United States? No. Apples are widely grown in the U.S. and used in many recipes. Does the phrase "as American as apple pie" mean something foreign? No, it means something that is deeply American. Is apple pie considered a symbol of American comfort and pride? Yes, it represents tradition, comfort, and national pride. Do most Americans dislike apple pie? No, it's one of the most loved desserts in the country. Be sure to watch this video again to reinforce what you've learned. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated with this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.